Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to check if your Samsung Galaxy S23 is original or fake. Let's get started. So, as a first step, we would need to open the phone app, then go to this tab which is named Keypad, and here enter this combination, which is *#06#. After this, on your screen will appear some information and barcodes with your two emails, AID, and also serial number. So you can make a screenshot or write up the second email on your phone. Because this phone has availability of supporting two SIM cards, it has two emails. So I'll take the second one and then we click OK, and we will need to move to the browser. Here we would need to enter email check and choose any of the sites that you can see right here. So I'll click on the first one, and here on this bar we would need to enter the second email of our phone and click check email. And the next thing that you are going to see here is the name of your phone, the model, the brand, and some more information about your phone. So after entering the email, if you can see your phone with the right model, brand, and more data, that means that your phone is original. My congratulations. But while entering the email, you got result like not valid email or try to enter another email. Unfortunately, your phone is fake. And this is it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.